This is what happens to your face after washing it with coconut oil and baking soda. We are all trying to have nice and clean facial skin, right? Cosmetic companies are selling all kinds of facial cleansers and tonics that cost a real fortune. Many of these acne-fighting and moisturizing facial cleansers and creams contain little beads to help polish the skin by taking dead layers off, while the creamy and cleansing base should help to moisturize and make the skin smooth. So why spending too much money on cosmetic products that may not even work for you when you can make your own homemade all-natural facial cream? In this video we are going to show you how to make the best homemade facial cream. This homemade cream is very easy to make and you'll only need 2 ingredients which you probably already have in your kitchen: baking soda and coconut oil. These 2 ingredients are highly effective in treating problematic skin. They are easy available and they don't cost a lot. And unlike the chemicals and toxic ingredients in the commercial cosmetic products, these 2 ingredients are completely safe for you and your skin. They can be eaten as well, but you already know that. So what's stopping from trying this homemade facial cream? Nothing, just go to the local health store, get these 2 ingredients and make your own facial cream right now. This homemade cream is exactly what you need to treat your facial skin. You will be amazed by the results. When you mix these 2 ingredients together, you will make a powerful combo that works great in treating acne, redness, scarring and removing excess dirt, oil and exfoliating dead skin off. And let me say this one more time, you will be amazed by the results. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is often used in homemade baked goods. People also use it as a polishing agent, deep cleaning and deodorizing agent for household use. This amazing ingredient can replace many household cleaners that contain too many toxic and chemical compounds in them. And the best thing about it is that baking soda will provide remarkable results. This amazing ingredient is also used as a cosmetic product. People use it to white their teeth with it or as a deodorant. It's a natural beauty product, also very effective in treating acne. Usually when the pH value in the human body is imbalanced, it can cause skin breakouts, and being an amphoretic compound, baking soda can be used to correct the skin's pH balance. This is why you can use baking soda as an aid in healing breakouts. The other also super healthy ingredient has antibacterial, healing and moisturizing properties. This healthy ingredient can moisturize, nourish and soothe the skin blemishes. The coconut oil is much gentler and safer product than baking soda. When these 2 ingredients are mixed together, the coconut oil balances out baking soda's harshness, making it safe for even the most sensitive skin. There are many different types of coconut oil, but it's highly recommended for you to use wet milled traditional coconut oil. This type of coconut oil has showed the best results. How to use baking soda and coconut oil as a deep cleanser. Ingredients: coconut oil, baking soda. Directions. In order to determine the exact amount of each ingredient, first you must know your skin type and what you are trying to accomplish with this homemade cream. If you have more sensitive skin, use at least a 2:1 ratio of coconut oil to baking soda. If you need more of an exfoliator, use a 1:1 ratio. All you have to do is mix these 2 ingredients and apply the mixture gently to your skin, wet or dry. You have 2 choices: you can leave it on as a mask for a few minutes for an even deeper conditioning treatment, or just wash it off with warm water after you gently applied it on your face. It's better to mix just a small amount. Just make enough for one treatment. This homemade facial mask is extremely beneficial and useful for your facial skin. And the most important thing is that it's made by easy available and inexpensive ingredients. You should definitely try this one, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this post, make sure you share it with your friends and family.